स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में। और स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट्स, गिफ्ट निफ्टी सिग्नल ए नेगेटिव स्टार्ट, एशियन मार्केट फ्लैट। Sensex Today stock market live updates. Indian benchmark indices snapped their today's losing streak and ended higher in volatile session on January 16 in the finishing above the 25,650 rebounds are driven by strong buying interest in power, energy, realty and financial stock, which helped in overall market statement and despite it intraday fluctuation. Market on Monday. Market rebound after 2 days. Slight Nifty tops 25,600. Sensex gained 650 PTS and Indian benchmark indices snapped their 2 days losing streak and ended higher in volatile session on February 16, with the Nifty finishing above the 25,650. The rebound was driven by strong buying interest in the power, energy, realty and financial stock, which helped lift overall market statement despite intraday flexion. At close, the Sensex was up 650.39 points or 0.79% at 83,277.15, and the Nifty was up 211.65 points or 0.83% at 25,682.75. Broader market leg. The benchmark as a Nifty midcap index gained 0.5%, while the smallcap index closed largely unchanged. Biggest Nifty gainer include Power Grid Corporation, Coal India, HDFC Bank, Adani Enterprise, Max Healthcare, while loser were Tech Mahindra, Bajaj Finance, Maruti Suzuki, Eicher Motors, and Tata Motor passenger visual. On the sectoral front, Power, PSU Bank, Realty, Private Bank, Infra, Capital Good, Energy indices gain 1 to 2%, while media and auto see 0.5 to 1%. और आप लोगों ने देखा जो स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट्स हो रहा है, गिफ्ट निफ्टी सिग्नल से नेगेटिव स्टार, एशियन मार्केट फ्लैट।